not embrace peace because he's a coward. His Majesty is not a coward. His Majesty is a fighter. His Majesty is the soldier himself in Nigeria and in Niger Delta. But because he chose to embrace peace, and the Okaka people decided to make him king, and he has come to sit down here, does not mean that any institution and the federal government should take him for granted. We have come to sympathize with our king. We have come to tell him that we as youth, we are behind him. We are aware and we know that he cannot be intimidated. He's not scared, and we know that he's not scared. And that we are also telling the Nigerian state, the federal government, that the attempts or the invasion of the palace of His Majesty is a handshake beyond the elbow. That is an assault and an invasion on the Ijaw nation. A nation is made up of people. A nation is not in vacuum. So when you try to attempt to harass and embarrass and humiliate some people in a nation, you are gradually looking for something else. And I say it without fear or favor this morning that the Ijaw nation is not intimidated. And the Ijaw nation, at every point in time, will defend our territory within the means of our constitution. Yes. We will not allow anybody, in the name of the Nigerian military or politicians, to come and chase us out of our own land. We will not leave our land. Instead of running away from our land, we will prefer to remain in our lands and die and be buried in our land. Yes. One blue. And this is the Ijaw nation. This is the symbol of the Ijaw nation. Of course, all the times I've come here, we come with a celebration mood. We come in a happy mood. But today is different. While we were coming, some of my people suggested that we come with a gele, we come with our drums. And I told them, no, this is not a day of celebration. We are mourning. The Ijaw nation is sober. The Ijaw nation is unhappy. During the presidential and the National Assembly elections, it is on record that only in Rivers State, we lost over 30 of the Ijaw youths. And we are still mourning them. Not to talk much of the people that died in BIAFRA State, Delta State, and Akwa Ibom State. And all of these are orchestrated by politicians that have stolen oil money from the Niger Delta. And before the governorship election, I was somewhere in Akwa Ibom, and I told some people that nobody has ever stolen money from NDDC and the amnesty office in Abuja and used it to succeed to get to another level, and the results are there. The monies in the NDDC and the amnesty office is as a result of people that have paid the supreme price. So you don't steal that money and go to say you want to use that money to become something. It has never happened, and it will not happen. Because the NDDC is a commission established for definite purposes. The purpose is to immediately develop the Niger Delta. So if you don't do that, and you amass wealth for yourself, and you call yourself a politician, and you want to use that money to get to another level in politics, the gods of the Ijaw nation will be with you and will make sure that you don't move to the next level. His Majesty, sir, we are very saddened today, but we are here and happy again to see that you are very, very strong and looking more handsome.
Ebeka unusi BIAFRA, Ebeka unusi BIAFRA, Gama vapu BIAFRA, Gawe bozo gabibi, Agama vapu BIAFRA, Gawe bozo gabibi, BIAFRA gade.